We are at GreenLine Real Estate office right at 14th Street in Florida, and this is our day for our First Time Homebuyer Workshop. We do First Time Homebuyer monthly workshops because it's our opportunity to show them the steps that it takes to be competitive and know where they need assistance and know how a realtor can assist them in the process.
I love working with first-time homebuyers because they're eager to learn. They're like a blank slate.
A first-time homebuyer will come in knowing nothing about the process. They leave with lots of information that helps them with the next step.
I think a lot of the time people are really confused about where do I start, where should I go. I think the Homebuyer Workshop is the perfect place to start for somebody looking to buy a home.
I knew that I wanted to buy a home and that it was going to be a lot of paperwork.
We're a little bit on the younger side, so it can be really intimidating.
My first chance to get an opportunity to learn something about the area, so we came to check out what GreenLine had to offer and get some information.
So buying your first home really means starting a future. I actually found out about the workshop online. You basically just put in your name and it was like, all right, you're registered, here's all the details.
You check in, we give you a welcome package for the workshop, grab a good seat, and sit down because we're going to have a lender that will explain the lending process to you.
I did the first step, which is coming and hearing about who would be or what should I look for in a lender, who or what should I look for in a realtor, and all other aspects of the home buying process.
I would definitely recommend GreenLine. Really, information about the first-time home buyer loans was great for me.
Yeah, building our future. Good luck.